LuvBeing World, it's a great organization. From the way the tutor taught us, we haven't had the privilege to meet other staff, but from our tutor from LuvBeing World, I can say that it's a great organization as it trains the youth on everything ICT.
My name is Gusi Joseph.
Tonriani Stefanos from
Yunus Abbas, Mohamed Jamil,
Patience of Bande,
Isfan Kubera, Hazan Jabil. My experience in Amada camp, the first time when I come here was so difficult to admit to the systems. But after some time, we try our best and admit to it. We are happy now, here we are. Getting to this camp and meeting the camp officials was actually a nice day. It was actually amazing.
About the tutor, I must say, first, he's friendly. And that's one aspect that I love about anybody tutoring me, because it creates an enabling environment for pupils or any other person to learn well.
One major highlight for me during the training was the combination of work and play. Our teacher was so amazing. He jokes while giving us practical activities to do. So, you know, all work without joke makes Jack a dull boy, right? So we all had fun. It's actually a fun experience. We learn having fun at the same time, and I think that's just one of the qualities of a very great teacher.
He's actually a very nice tutor because he's someone who isn't tired of explaining a particular thing, trying to see you understand or know what he's talking about. And he actually created this friendly forum for us. He made it easy for us to roll along with him and understand everything that is being taught.
Yeah, I've learned so much in the class, but we actually dwell on graphic design because of the time constraint.
Where we learn how to create banners, bills and flyers, how to make use of your tools properly, and how to make sure that you pass your information in a well-mannered way, not just writing or trying to play with the app, but let your information be bold enough for people to see and notice.
From the onset, I had interest in ICT, so me venturing into the side class of ICT here in camp has made me learn a lot actually. That's broadened my skill of ICT in the aspect of design and graphics.
It was an amazing experience, though very short, but at least within the short period of time, I was able to grab a lot. Before I came into camp, I was only using Canva. Yeah, I wasn't really too good with Canva, but then when I joined the ICT through the SAID program, I'm able to use Pixel Lab. As a matter of fact, I think I designed about 3 flyers just using Pixel Lab, and I mean, it's amazing.
The ICT was very, very amazing because as we all know that the world is a global village and we are transiting into the world of technology now. So it's actually a great, section in SAID class. And since the major purpose of SAID is to create wealth and, you know, being a job creator, not being a job seeker. So it was actually a great experience with that.
And at first I was not used to all this design of picture and write-up, but there I get to know more.
I actually joined ICT because I love ICT a lot because it's one of the best, let me say, SAID so far. It has been an exciting class and experience one at that. We did graphics and I was able to use the Pixel app in which we use all the tools there. The editors help us to explain all the tools in it and also use the Canva app. To design on the go, I mean using phones applications for you to design on the go without you needing to be with your laptop every time. It was actually amazing because we were introduced to apps such as Pixel Lab and Canva, where you can be able to design flyers on the go.
My advice to them is they should be obedient, they should take everything serious. I think seriousness actually pays because once you're serious with side class and other things, you learn many things from there that you can use to better your life outside the camp. So, and they should be obedient to every rules and regulations in the camp.
Firstly, I would say NYSC is a one-time stuff. So first you make the moment count, and then in respect side, I would say you come here and you follow your mind and do the best to improve on yourself.
To the upcoming core members, to be sincere, it's a tough journey, right? It is not easy, but then life is not meant to be easy after all. So I think you need the NYSC orientation experience for you to prepare yourself for the outside world, and I recommend it to every recent graduate. You can choose to do it now, you can choose to do it later after your graduation, but just make sure you participate in the NYSC program as it exposes you to a lot of things that you might not know outside the camp.